In this video we will talk about right nutrition to keep a fit body. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Nutrition is the most primary essence of life. America is an example of many obese people and people who have neglected their diet. Nutrition enhances the balance of our body to be fit and healthy. Taking right nutrition doesn't only mean having a good health, it helps to enhance the confidence within oneself and make them feel proud of who they are. Nutrition depends on the regular calorie intake, exercise, fat intake. Regular calorie intake depends on the kinds of food taken every day. Nutrition calendar can be kept to access the daily intake of food, so that there is a balance on calorie intake. This helps in a long run, so that one can strongly fight against the odd food daily which would not give excessive calories than one need to intake in a week. Going through the journals of health experts would help to keep up with the calorie intake daily. This helps in balancing nutritional content in the body and gives body a good shape. Fat intake. This is a major problem in U.S. fast foods, and restaurants especially cannot be trusted. Many people like to eat fast food like McDonald's, Arby's, Kentucky Fried Chicken and even places like Pizza Hut and so on. These places are good once in a while, but to really take care of your nutrition it is best to avoid these places and cook a healthy meal at home. In America most people go to work, and hence prefer fast food, but there can be some time spared to really look after the diet you are consuming. Red meat is consumed a lot. It is good to eat red meat in balance, but there has to be some nutritional measurement so that eating fat food can be balanced. Hence it is always advisable to take advice or read some articles written by health experts on this. Exercise fits in the role of shaping the body. Exercise is very important. There has to be an effort at least once in a day of exercising or going for a walk or running, jogging, or going to gym, whatever suits you best. Exercise cannot be avoided, it has to be the preference where looking healthy is concerned. Exercise also helps in blood circulation and it keeps the organs of the body going and keeping them fit. There are different types of exercises, and so to keep fit it is important to just go through some of the exercises that are best for you. There are instructors who help in guiding the best exercises you need. Most of the ladies prefer aerobics, some call it as dancing exercise. This can be one of the ways to balance fats and helps the body to keep going and at the same time helps your body to be intact and in good shape. Nutrition can be best balanced if the following above are managed, hence helping your nutritional value to be balanced at the same time make you feel comfortable about yourself and give you a good new look. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.